Yeah. So I'm gonna do it again. Sorry, this continue of it. One BB gonna put in here. 2mm BB. Gotta do this quickly. Oh, here we go. The other clip. Oh, here we go. I'll start with Colt LM11 first. Time. Let me use the flashlight. Alright. There you go. Flashlight. Alright. You may want to wear some could bounce off my head. So, this is a MA8 flashlight. Actually, don't see what. Yeah, I do. Alright, so, here you go. Results. This time with the flashlight. That's the Colt 1911. That's the MA8. You see the difference from a little bit off to the right to a whole bit off to the left. I think it may have hit or up there or something right there. But anyways, yeah, that's the test. There you go. They're good guns. Airsoft guns. I'm gonna get some more sooner or later. Talk to you later. Bye.